This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming iCloud sign-in and opening the Find My app. This gives you the single control center for Apple devices. Once done, tap Devices and locate your AirPods entry to see current status. If the listing shows a precise map or last seen timestamp, note that location immediately because it tells you where they were connected last. Make sure to keep your phone's Bluetooth and location services enabled so the app can refresh the device state. If the AirPods are online and out of the case, tap Play Sound and listen for the chirps. You will hear increasing volume as you get closer. While walking, watch the Find My map and Bluetooth signal strength. This narrows a search from room to room. If they show offline, instead use the last seen map marker and retrace your steps around that timestamp, checking couches, pockets, bags, and recent locations where your device connected to them. This is how you turn old data into actionable search. The charging case alone usually cannot emit a sound, so focus on where you last charged or stored it. Check chargers, bedside tables, bags, and recent pockets. Once you've searched locally, enable Notify when found in Find My and set Lost Mode if available so you get a push when it reconnects to any Apple device. If nothing appears, make sure to recheck likely spots and ask anyone who might have moved it. A quick, systematic sweep often resolves the mystery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.